Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Acadia. Stock number is A7790. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Rear facing entertainment center, and then up top you do have a panoramic sunroof. Swinging around to the back end now, you have rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.